I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Swift and SBM installed, and a project scaffold ready. Once confirmed, open package. Swift and add the SwiftSharp dependency line under Dependencies so SBM can fetch it. Then create a new source file for your module and write import SwiftSharp at the top. This gets the runtime and types available. Make sure to run Swift build now so dependencies download. That prevents surprises during coding and speeds up iterative testing. Now integrate core usage. Initialize the SwiftSharp client with your config object, passing credentials and endpoints so requests authenticate and route correctly. Next, define local models matching the library's input/output contracts to simplify mapping. This prevents type errors and eases decoding. Once models exist, place network calls inside task or async functions and use doCatch to handle thrown errors. This pattern keeps UI responsive and clearly separates network. Finish by writing unit tests covering main flows and mocking SwiftSharp responses so you catch regressions early. Once tests pass, refine error handling. Convert raw library errors into user-facing messages and retry logic where appropriate. Then perform integration runs and profile performance. If something goes wrong, enable verbose logging immediately and inspect config values like API key and base URL. Common causes are wrong endpoints or missing scopes. Finally, rerun Swift build and the app. Consistent logs will point you to the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.